May you rest well. To the family, your spouse, Mama Ida Odinga, and your children, my family and I join you in prayer during this difficult moment. My deepest sympathies to you and to the people of the Republic of Kenya. The Enigma Baba, the father of our democracy and a formidable hero of Kenya's second liberation, you stood tall and strong in intellect, knowledge, and quest for democracy. You faced brutal regimes, brutality. You were tortured, jailed, abducted, and detained severally for Kenya. When the history of Africa's Pan-Africanism is written, your chapter as the indefatigable lion of Africa will attract many readers. Ndio jumbe yake kutoka kwake Rigathi Gachagua. Bado akiendelea akisema, much as we have never been on the same political side, I've had a strong admiration of Raila Odinga's art of forming and sustaining a strong political party that survived 4 general elections. I remain by his choice of quality legislatures to fly the party flag and eloquently articulate party policies and the people they represented. You are a hero celebrated home and away. You have not gone, Raila Odinga. You have just faded away. Rest in peace, Baba, and may perpetual light shine upon you forever. Now,